Welcome. In this class, you will learn to feel your best by modifying your down dog. Make sure to have 2 blocks on hand. We will first start off with a quick warm-up to help release any tension within the body. Let's begin. Come to your knees. Begin circulating the wrists. Really important not to forget about the wrists. So just give some love here, circulating the wrists. Remember to go the opposite direction. Go ahead and begin circulating the neck. Nice, gentle movements. Once again, opposite direction. Coming to the shoulders, begin circulating here. When you're ready, walk the hands forward, forehead to the mat, or a block for child's pose. Now you have an option here to modify by placing a block or pillow under the hips. Just to give you a little more height here, a little less of a hip stretch. Full inhale. On the exhale, sighing out any tension within the shoulders, the upper back, maybe even the neck, the rib cage. Just surrender here, letting gravity do its job. Next, inhale, come to table. Straighten the left leg, tucking the left toes, pressing into that heel. Take a few moments here. When you're ready, release. Come to the opposite leg. Release. Being gentle here, flip the right hand so the top of the hand is pressing into the mat with very little pressure. Same thing with the left hand. Again, no pressure on the hand, just a light stretch. Perfect. Release. Plant the hands. And from here, let's begin sending the hips up, keeping a bend in the knees so that tailbone is nice and high. Take your time here, doing your best to draw the belly towards your thighs. Again, being very gentle, no pressure to go any further. If you can, go ahead and begin to walk your knees. So just walking your dog here. This is completely optional, however, it is a great way to warm up those hammies. If and when down dog gets a bit too intense during practice, you are so encouraged to rest in a posture that feels best for you. Child's pose is a great option, one of my favorites. As demonstrated here, you'll notice I rest my hands beside my hips. This is a great pose to rest the shoulders from the intense shoulder opener and the strengthening that down dog builds. Listen to your body at all times and don't feel shy to rest at any point. Always remember that it's not how far you are in the posture, it's about how you feel. As long as we try, the body will adapt. For our next modification, we'll need 2 blocks. This is for anyone feeling extra tight in the shoulders. So go ahead and grab your 2 blocks, place them shoulder distance apart, about a foot in front of you. Tuck the toes, sending the hips up while keeping the knees bent. Letting the head be heavy, maybe shake the head yes and no. The blocks will give you height and support and help align the body more comfortably, where you can begin to build that flexibility and strength. If this feels good, go ahead and begin to bend the knees, walking your dogs, just bending one knee at a time. Release. Take a rest in child's pose for as long as you feel, or any posture that feels best for you. When you're ready, release, come to seated. Thank you so much for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.